Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate and SEO Complete course. Today is our lecture number 8, and in this lecture we're gonna have a look how to earn from blogging. So in blogging we're gonna have a look at Amazon Affiliate and Google AdSense. So what are the methods, what are the ways to earn from blogging, and specifically in blogging we're going to have a look at the Amazon affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. So if you look at the Google AdSense, I'm going to GA for Google AdSense, I'm going to use this. For Google AdSense, what things matter? Two things: CPM, CPC. We're gonna have a look at this. What are these? And Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm gonna Amazon affiliate marketing. In this, product reviews, commission per sale. Okay, and the next is we're gonna have a look at this CPA. We will see what is CPA, event and services. So let's start from you can earn from these five ways to earn from Amazon affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. So from the Google AdSense niche, CPM is cost per mile, or you can say cost per views. CPC is cost per click. Viewers, if we talk about the YouTube, basically the main earning from YouTube is from CPM, cost per mile, or you can say from views you earn. But for the websites, you earn from CPM, but earning is very low, or you can say just a few cents. But main earning from website, Google AdSense website, you will earn from CPC, cost per click. Cost per click means on Google Ads, how many viewers click per ad. This is cost per click. These are two main ways, and except Google AdSense, you can use Taboola and media.net. There are many other ways, other networks who offer this ads services you can earn. And Amazon affiliate marketing, you review the products, different products. We will have a look at this selection of products. You review these products, and after reading the reviews, customer buy that product from Amazon, and you earn a commission for sale. That's Amazon affiliate marketing. CPA, basically CPA stands cost per action. Suppose there is an offer, you will earn $1 if you will complete this survey. You will earn $1 if you download this app. These are two CPA offers. So there are a number of offers for CPA. We're gonna have a look at this CPA much in detail. What are the ways? So you can have Max Bounty is one of the network who offer CPA. So event is you create a website on an event. Suppose a World Cup, football World Cup, cricket World Cup, or any fashion week. You create your website on that event, and but before event, So you need to create that website before event, not at the time or after. Before event you need to create services like we all search on Google, plumber near me, electrician near me. So near me or a services, these kind of petrol station near me, these are kinds of services. So these are all the methods you can earn from blogging. I hope you will like this. I hope you will like this video. So we're gonna move forward. So share this video with your friends, and if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. Thank you.